The Osher Lifelong Learning Institute at UNT offers a variety of fun educational activities for adults age 50 and better in the North Texas region. This spring, we'll be hosting over 75 non-credit courses in person at our 7 classrooms in Denton, Lantana, Flower Mound, Frisco, and at our newest location in the Keller Senior Activity Center. We are also offering virtual courses and events live on Zoom. These sessions will be dynamic and interactive, and most will be recorded for on-demand viewing. Our courses cover a variety of subjects and are taught by volunteer instructors, many of whom are active or retired university faculty. Our spring catalog is now available to download online. The catalog contains descriptions and dates of each activity we have planned for this semester. Here are some of the virtual courses and events we'll be offering this spring. These activities are included for all members at no additional cost. Learn from Doug Stowell, an expert in opinion polling, and see how the U.S. ranks in global surveys. Discuss important foreign policy issues facing the U.S. as part of the Great Decisions National Group Discussion Program. These group discussions will be moderated by Dr. Jim Goodnow, a retired professor of international business. Participate in a live virtual cooking lab with Chef Jody Duryea, a former executive chef and current principal lecturer at UNT. Learn about the legendary foods of France and Italy from Chef Larry Canepa, who will join us virtually from Arizona. Sign up for a powerful presentation from Irving Lubliner, a Holocaust survivor's son who has recently published his mother's gripping memoirs. Find out how award-winning author Catherine Lasky uses extensive research to craft her best-selling fantasy novels in an exclusive virtual discussion that will include member Q&A. In addition to these virtual activities, we are also offering in-person special events and local trips. Visit UNT's Sky Theater Planetarium to watch the film Distant Worlds: Alien Life on their full dome screen. Enjoy a wine and cheese pairing lesson and learn about the history and art of cheese and winemaking from the mongers at Denton's 10-to-1 artisanal cheese shop. Learn from Kevin Richardson, a researcher who will be traveling all the way from the United Kingdom to talk to us about the topics he studies, which include how universities and researchers can better serve their communities. Take a tour of the Shiloh Field Community Garden and learn about the important work being done there to end hunger in Denton County. Members of OLLI at Oklahoma State University will join us for dinner and a special event presented by UNT's College of Visual Arts and Design. Meet some remarkable students and learn about their research into various items from UNT's Texas Fashion Collection. Leave the driving to us and enjoy a chartered bus trip through North Texas horse country. Tour the grounds of 2 first-class ranches, meet their champion horses, view live skills demonstrations, and enjoy a delicious chuck wagon lunch. Bring your lunch into the classroom for our Spring Lunch and Learn lecture series, which will highlight faculty from UNT's Department of Philosophy and Religion. Associate Professor Leah Kalmanson will talk to us about the world's philosophical traditions from the ancient Greek Stoics to Jain, Buddhist, and Confucian traditions. We'll learn about the latest developments in sustainable tourism from UNT Professor Ricardo Rozzi, who leads an award-winning partnership between UNT and a major university in Chile. We'll discover the relationship between our ethics and the taste of the foods we eat from Professor David Kaplan, the director of UNT's unique Philosophy of Food project. Assistant Professor Miguel Gualdron Ramirez will explore the mobilizations of indigenous movements in Central and North America and how they challenge Western approaches to political philosophy. Associate Professor Adam Briggle will engage with one philosopher's idea for motivating people to take action on climate change. These lectures are included at no additional cost for all OLLI at UNT members. Our OLLI After 5 lecture series, which features complimentary wine and cheese, is also included for all members. Learn from Melinda Levin, a professor in UNT's Department of Media Arts, about the challenging behind-the-scenes decisions she's had to make when filming documentaries in various countries around the world. Watch a documentary with us about the work being done to end cycles of domestic violence in a nearby North Texas county. Then, ask questions of Thorne Anderson, the filmmaker and an associate professor in UNT's journalism school, and the district attorney featured in the documentary. Explore the world of true crime as Ryan Garlick, a lecturer from UNT's College of Engineering, talks to us about the codebreakers who are working to identify the Zodiac Killer through his mysterious ciphers. Then learn from Laura Evans, an art crime historian and associate professor at UNT, about the theft of an emerald-studded gold cross and the disappearance of Dorothy's famous ruby slippers from The Wizard of Oz. Enjoy an evening of live jazz as two renowned musicians, UNT professor Brad Lely and Grammy-nominated vocalist Carla Helmbrecht, introduce us to the music that has inspired them in a one-of-a-kind educational concert. OLLI members can also join member-led special interest groups, including book clubs, a yoga group, and a recipe swap group. If you have an idea for a new group, suggest it to us and we'll help you get it off the ground. Members also enjoy complimentary access to a selection of titles from the great courses and exclusive member discounts, including discounted and free tickets to UNT concerts and performances. An annual OLLI at UNT membership costs just $150 per year with no additional fees for our courses. Veterans, members of the UNT Alumni and Retiree Associations, and members of the Denton, Flower Mound, and Frisco Senior Centers are eligible for a discounted rate of $85 per year. We also offer a pay-per-course membership for $55 per year and $15 per course. Some of our special events carry additional fees. We hope you'll join us this spring and become a member of our lifelong learning community. Memberships also make great gifts for your loved ones. Register online today or contact our office for more information.